Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace the alternator on a Ford Edge. Park the car, disconnect the negative battery, and gather basic hand tools. I will walk you through diagnostic checks, belt removal, unplugging electrical connectors, and unbolting the alternator. I will explain torque points, how to test the new unit, and tips to avoid common mistakes. Follow along step by step for a clean, confident alternator swap. Gathering the right tools and parts saves time and frustration. I recommend a quality socket set, extensions, breaker bar, and a torque wrench. Make sure the replacement alternator matches your vehicle connector and mounting pattern, and inspect the serpentine belt for wear. Keep a multimeter handy to verify voltage and continuity before and after installation. A little prep makes the job smoother and helps avoid surprises during reassembly. Start by loosening the belt tensioner to relieve tension and slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, label and unplug any connectors, then remove the mounting bolts and carefully extract the old alternator. Fit the new unit, hand thread bolts, then torque them to the manufacturer specification. Reconnect wiring, route the belt correctly, reapply tension, and perform a charging system test with a multimeter to confirm proper operation before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.